say you want to be a pilot. You tell your family, your friends, anyone who will listen. But deep down, you know they don't really believe you. And you know what? They're not wrong. Only 0.1% of the world are pilots. It's rare. It's special. It's one of the hardest dreams to achieve. But here's the truth. That doesn't mean it can't be you. That doesn't mean you can't step into that 0.1%. The only thing standing between you and that cockpit is action. Don't be another dreamer. Be a doer. Be the one they doubted and then proved right. Be the one who said, I'll be a pilot, and actually made it happen. Sign up today. Start your journey. Because dreams don't pay for flight hours. Action does.